Hello students, here let's see GCD of two numbers using recursion. GCD is greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. Sometimes it is called as HCF, highest common factor. For example, GCD of 20, 15 will be 5. How? This is the common factor. So, we need to take the greatest common factor. In simple terms, we can define GCD as the largest number that divides both of them. Largest number that divides both of them. Okay, now see this program. This is the main program and we are declaring the function here. Function declaration is here. GCD 1 and we are writing the function here. This is the main program. We have two variables, integer int n01 and n02, number 1 and number 2. We are getting the two positive numbers here using scanf and we are printing. Okay, printing what? Both numbers and GCD of both numbers. Okay, so directly here we are calling GCD 1. It's a recursive function. Okay, so when the program counter sees this line, it immediately goes here into GCD 1 of two arguments n1 and n2. This logic is if n2 not equal to 0, this particular line will be performed, else it will return n1 and n1 will be the GCD. Okay, so it's recursion. So everywhere the same function will be called, the same thing, GCD 1 and GCD 1. The recursive function GCD 1 continuously calls itself until the value of n2 is equal to 0. Okay, recursion is nothing but any function that calls itself, and such function calls will be called as recursive calls. Let's take this example. Enter two positive numbers. Let's take 60 and 48. The GCD of two numbers will be 12. How? Let's see. What will be the greatest common factor? Let's start with 2. So this will be 30, this will be 24. And again 2, 15, 12. Then let's take 3, 5, 4. After here we cannot continue because for 5 and 4 there is no common divisor. So we need to take this thing only. So we can do 2 into 2 into 3. This will be the common divisor. So for 60 and 40, the answer is 12. Okay, thank you.